In this video, I'm going to talk about what is content marketing and why you need it for your business. Hi there, David Walsh here, helping you grow your YouTube channel, especially for your business. So what is content marketing? Content marketing is where you are giving high value content to your target audience to help them get to know more about you, get them to know more about your business and your products or services. Your content marketing strategy will get your content in front of your target audience. It gets them to see your expertise and the value that you have for them so that they ultimately want to buy your products or services. Content marketing has got more of a resurgence recently since ad costs have gone up. Types of content marketing include blog posts, podcasts, social posts on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, newsletters, whether that is a physical printed newsletter or a good old-fashioned email newsletter, magazines, especially from businesses or trade magazines, and my personal favorite, the good old YouTube video. Your content in your content marketing strategy can take any elements from that list I've just given or multiple elements if you want. And you can even repurpose content from one element to another. Say, take your YouTube video, repurpose that for Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram, and also take the text out of that, send it off in your newsletter, or make a blog post about it. So having multiple types of content in your content marketing strategy is a great way to get across to more and more of your target audience because different people will consume content in different ways. Some of your audience will prefer a newsletter or a blog post. Others will prefer a podcast so they can listen to when they're working out or in the car. And others will prefer to watch a video because that's how they consume their content. So having different types of content in your content marketing strategy helps you get across to a wider audience, which ultimately helps your business. So as well as those reasons, why should you have a content marketing strategy? Well, the first reason is that ad costs are going up. If you're just building your business based on ads, whether that's on Facebook or Google or anywhere else, you're just using one of the two ways to bring people into your business and get awareness of you, your business, and your products. If a competitor comes in and outbids everybody on the ad platform, then you're at risk. Ad costs aren't going down anytime soon, and with more and more people getting online, so just using ads alone to build your business can be detrimental if you don't have a content marketing strategy to go with it. The second reason is people buy people. Through your content, you connect with your audience. People get to know, like, and trust you. They get to know, like, and trust your team members, your business, and also your products. So when they come to make that purchase decision, they know that you're the person or that you're the business to go to be able to buy that solution to the problem that they have. Connecting with your audience, especially through video, is a great way to build your authority and become the go-to person in your marketplace that people go to for the solutions that you offer. Time and time again, we've seen people who use video in their content marketing strategy have customers walk into their showroom or into their business or call them up and they say, "I feel like I know you." They've already made that connection through video, so the sale is done even before they walk in the door or contact you in the first place. So you can connect with your audience through your content marketing strategy that brings down lead time to your sale and even can get the sale like that. The third reason why you should have a content marketing strategy is people do their due diligence. People will go to the Googles, they will type in your name or your business name or your product name, and they will see if they can find any information about it. So if they're looking for you and they come across your blog posts and then also your videos, and then they notice you may have a podcast as well, and then some social posts on top of it, all of this builds up your authority. You're in multiple platforms, you're in multiple places, and they see that yes, you create a lot of value in the marketplace so that you are the go-to person to go to. So for your target audience who do their due diligence, you need to have your content marketing out there so that it's helping to answer any questions that they have about your products and services so that they can contact you, pick up the phone or whatever, and buy what you have to offer.
Thank you.
The next reason to have a content marketing strategy is that you're creating a reciprocity and value in the marketplace. Even if I gave away every single piece of information that I have in my head about growing YouTube channels, especially for business, I know that I'm still going to attract clients for the simple reason that people want someone else to do it for them. They don't want to have to learn it themselves and do that work. So they would gladly hire me rather than having to learn everything, as well as get the experience that I have had building my YouTube channel and the channels of multiple clients. So if you're in a similar situation and you're worried about people taking all your free stuff and then just implementing it and not buying your products or services, don't worry about it. If they take your stuff and never contact you, they were never going to buy in the first place. Put your content out there, create that value, build up that reciprocity, and it will always come back to you. If you have amazing expertise in what you do, then all the information you give out is nothing compared to your expertise. That's something they cannot learn. So put your content out there, build that value and reciprocity, and you'll see your clients come in. And the last reason to have a content marketing strategy, and my personal favorite, is that your content is constantly working for you 24/7. I've got videos on my YouTube channel that are working years after I've made them. Different people will search for different things on YouTube and Google. They will find my content, see that I have other videos on that particular subject, go down the YouTube rabbit hole, come out the other side as a subscriber. They then come onto a YouTube live, want to find out more about our products and services. We set up a consultation and then they become a client. So by creating the value with our content, we get people into our funnel or through our sales process and grow our business. When you have hundreds and hundreds of pieces of content out there, whether that's blog posts, podcasts, videos, etc., you make it easier for people to find you, go down your particular rabbit hole, and come out the other end as a customer or client. So for your content marketing strategy, where are you going to start? Blog posts, podcasts, social posts, YouTube videos? Let me know in the comments area below. I'd love to know where you're going to start. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell to be notified when we upload videos every single week to help you grow your YouTube channel, to grow your business. And if you want to know how to use content marketing to grow your business, make sure to watch that video right there.